I don't like in frame. All right. Today we're gonna make a Brazilian dessert using just 3 ingredients. Let's do it. So just gonna heat up a pot over here, and I'm gonna drop 1 tablespoon of butter into it. Riveting, I know. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to our butter here. This is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Now, I've never done this before, so your guess is as good as mine. What's gonna happen next? I need more cocoa powder. It's still not dark enough. The liquid evaporate, because we're gonna form this into balls. I think that's basically what we want. Turn off the heat. I can already tell this is gonna go really well. So.
Oh, this is not how this was supposed to go.
How do we make things look like balls? All right, so I Googled things. Imagine me knowing what I'm doing. Anyway, I had to let it cool so that I could shape it with my hands. And I'm gonna put some butter in my hands to help the chocolate not stick. So I'm gonna take about a spoonful of this, make it a ball in my hand. Ta-da. Look at that versus that. All right, I figured we'd eat these outside since I don't want these sprinkles all over my apartment. So, here we go, first bite. Tastes pretty close to what I had at this Brazilian bakery the other day. It's like super dense. It's like hard, it's hard to finish one of them. It's just so much chocolate and sugar. That's good though. It's kind of a little dessert finger food. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to comment below with a recipe you'd like to see next time. See ya.